Well, welcome YouTubeMater to part 3 of this series of how to get your first 100 subscribers. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, you'll find a link in the description below. Go watch them, then come back to this video, since they're definitely related, and we don't want you to miss any information to gain significant traction on the platform. If it's already done, stay with us to find out another strategy we used to grow our channel and have you in our YouTubemation community. And if you're new to our channel, where we make research and give tips to create successful faceless channels on YouTube, click the button and subscribe right now. To be honest, we didn't invent this strategy. We got inspired by Beluga, the fastest faceless channel that gained 4 million subscribers in only 3 months. Actually, we made a study case video about it. We will leave you a link in the description section. There is a lot to learn from this YouTube success story, from the thumbnail creation and the title optimization to the audio editing. And we made sure to take those elements into consideration when we make our videos. We'll give you the most important one in a moment. This proven strategy to get your first 100 subscribers can be split into 2 categories. So stay focused until the end of this video. Each action can't work without the other one. Without any further ado, if you want to grow your audience fast, you need to create bingeable videos. Your target must be to keep a viewer on your channel and make him watch as many videos as possible. That's how you increase your time watch session. Be careful, the time watch session is totally different from the retention rate. It is the total accumulated amount of time people have spent watching your videos on YouTube. YouTube has confirmed that watch time is an important part of their search and discovery algorithm. But why are we talking about the same viewer binge watching more videos? After all, we're here trying to increase the subscribers number. Because if you want the algorithm to push your channel, having viewers consume your content one video after another is your most valuable weapon. And this is what Beluga did. Short videos, a 3-minute average duration, and an audience who's binge watching his videos one after another. Now the question is, how can I create a video that won't make the viewer able to resist the urge of watching the following one? First, create videos with related ideas to build strong storytelling. Second, split an idea into 2 to 3 part videos. Third, trigger the viewer's curiosity at the end of each video. 4, add end screens pointing to the following video. However, as brilliant as it is, this strategy won't work if you ignore the second focus, which is create content for your ideal viewer. If you have the feeling that the bingeable content strategy is kind of a trap, this is because in order to make it effective and a subscriber magnet, you need to get into the skin. We mean the mind and emotions of your audience. If the link between your videos is a bit far-fetched, you won't get the result you want. How do you avoid this pattern? By creating content shaped to your ideal viewer's expectation. Let me explain that. Let's say you have a fishing channel. It must be a coherent jump from one video to another. What you can't do if your ideal viewer is a beginner: Video 1, How to Start Fishing, the ultimate guide for beginners. Video 2, Advanced Still Water Fly Fishing. Video 3, Viral Fishing Technique Tools. What you can do if your ideal viewer is a beginner: Video 1, How to Start Fishing, the ultimate guide for beginners. Video 2, The Easy Way to Float Fish. Video 3, How to Cast More Accurately When Fishing. Do you see the difference? In the first case, the creator tries to target viewers from different fishing levels. A beginner would be disoriented. In the second case, the binge watchable effect will work without a doubt because the videos are focused on the ideal viewer, his interests, his fishing level, needs, etc. We think we don't need to go any further with the how to get your first 100 subs as soon as possible. If you implement the strategies we gave you in these 3-part series, your channel will blow up and reach the undeniable milestone of 100 subscribers. Now that you know, it's time to get to work. But before you leave, give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful in any way. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you, YouTubemater, for staying until the end of this video. See you at the next one.